Hello students. Today I would like to show you how to do the Job Bank's Abilities Quiz. So we can see it up here. It says Job Bank's Abilities Quiz, copy down instructions in your notebook. So you need to go down, you need to click on this link, and then number 2 says scroll down. Number 3 says answer the questions. There are 4 pages. Number 4, click on Get the Results. And then number 5, you want to copy down 5 occupations from the list at the end of the quiz that interest you. So check the codes beside the occupations. They tell you how much education you need. And here is the list, name of the occupation, and you're going to write 5 of them. And please send them to me so that I can see what you chose. Okay, so now let me show you. We're going to click on the link, and it will take me to the Government of Canada website. It says, see what careers match your abilities. So we're going to just scroll down, and we can see that it's 39 questions. And this here shows you your how long it's taken you. So I will just do it for me here. So the first question is find details in objects. Can you see those small things? It's a little bit difficult for me, so I'll click there. So difficult is in here on the left, and easy is on the right. And in the middle, if you're so-so, you put yourself in the middle. So can you make a 3-dimensional drawing of a pencil or a digital drawing of some object? Is it easy for you to draw something? Sort of. No, not really. I'm in the middle. Is it easy? This next one says, checking for mistakes in adding or subtracting. Is that easy or difficult? I'll put that I'm kind of in the middle on that because I like to use my calculator. Can you give the exact change when working with money? Is that difficult or is that easy? It's pretty easy for me. Can I thread a needle? So is it difficult or easy? So for a needle, it's when you're sewing clothing, you know. That's kind of difficult for me with my eyes. I'm going to say threading a needle is difficult. Can I catch on quickly and reason things out? Is that difficult for me or is that easy? Do I learn quickly? A little bit easy, not super easy for me. And the next one says solving math problems. Is that difficult for me or easy? Math is, well, kind of like more on the difficult side for me. Identifying mistakes in printed or digital documents. Is it easy for me to see mistakes? Yes, it's pretty easy. Inspecting things for details such as coloring, scratches, dust, and flaws. Inspect things for details. That's a little bit difficult. I don't see the details very easily. Learning and understanding things quickly. Is that difficult or easy? I'd say it's sort of easy for me. Okay, and then once I've done that, I'm going to click Next. And it will move to the next page, and then I need to scroll down. So I scroll down, and it tells me that I'm 25% finished the quiz. So I'm going to go through. So I'll take a break here and do this, and I'll see you at the last page. I'm on page 3 of 4. I'm going to click Next. I already did page 2, and I need to scroll down once again, and I get to, I'm 75% done. Is it difficult or easy for me to find the information I need? It's easy. Is it difficult or easy imagining what something would look like from seeing a diagram of it? So can I figure out what something would look like from a picture? Pretty easy for me. Is it difficult or easy for me to understand mathematical concepts? Oh, that's fairly difficult for me. Is it easy or difficult for taking things apart and putting them back together properly? That's very difficult for me. I could not put things back together. Is it easy or difficult for me to quickly and precisely write a text message? Oh yes, I can do a good text message quickly. Is it difficult or easy for me understanding instructions or ideas that are explained to me? That's pretty easy for me. Is it difficult or easy for me to transfer numbers or other information from one place to another without errors? That's pretty easy. Is it difficult or easy for me to use hand tools, like for hammering and sawing things? Oh, that's very difficult for me. No, a little bit difficult. Okay. Is it easy or difficult recognizing small parts of machinery, equipment, or products? That is difficult for me. So now I'm on page 4 of 4, and I'm going to click next. And now the magic happens. It's spinning around. And let us see what it tells me when I scroll down. So I am, it's going to tell me 3 different things. Actually, it tells me my occupations. So these are the jobs that I could do. And it's also telling me level of education. So remember that the codes are down here. So if there's an N, you don't need any formal schooling. You don't need school. If it's an H, you need high school. If it's a C, you need college. If it's a U, you need university. So you want to avoid the ones that say university. The other ones, you guys could imagine you could do those eventually. So I can see that on my top list, it's telling me I could be an editor, I could be a forestry professional, I could be an occupational therapist, I could be a physiotherapist, and I could be an arranger. So, and the higher the percentage, the more the job matches my personal qualities. So these top 4 are all university degrees. So maybe I don't want to go to university. I would rather scroll down until I get something that is just high school. All I need is high school or college, or maybe there's one with an N. That means I don't need any school. So is there one with an N? Yes, there's one with an N. It says I could be an author or a writer. So those are, you choose 5 jobs that you would like to, that match your qualities, and write them down and send them in an email to me, or write them in the comments. And right here it will tell me a little bit about that job. So I will go back. Somehow we got, I'm going to click the back arrow to show me the list of my occupations. And I am writing them down in my notebook right here. And that is how you do the job abilities quiz.